Hey guys, welcome. Hey guys, hey guys,
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time on my channel, I am Derbie Somers, and today I will be showing you guys how to use TikTok. This video is very beginner friendly. My TikTok account name is Derbie Somers. Please check me out on TikTok. And yeah, so I'll be doing screen recordings to show you step by step tutorial on how to use TikTok. I hope you find this helpful, and please subscribe and share this video with your friends. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So obviously the first thing to do is to open your TikTok, and this is the first thing you're going to see. This is called the For You page. Basically, TikTok brings creators to your For You page, creators they think you can relate to or they think you would like to follow. So this side tagged following is basically just going to bring out every creator that you currently follow. When they upload, you are going to see their content on this side. So I'm going to describe these buttons. This very first one here is to help you follow any creator easily. Just click on it and yep, you're following. The next button, the art, is to like someone's content. The next button is to place a comment. I thought this video was cute, so I'm typing cutie emoji, and I can also like someone's comment under this content. Okay, so this arrow basically decides what you want to do with the video, whether you want to share the video on Facebook, Insta stories, WhatsApp, whatever. So yeah, the discover button basically shows the content that are trending hashtags and all that. The inbox is basically where all your notifications go to. The me simply is your profile page, and you see all your content and all that. This right here is where all your favorites stay, your favorite videos, hashtags, sounds, effects. This is where they go to. To create a new video, you click on this plus button and your camera comes up. So you have various options: 60 seconds, 15 seconds, or you can go live. You can only go live when you have 1,000 followers. This part of the screen is showing how fast or slow your video can be. You can decide to select any one of these: 0.3x being slow and 3x being fast. 1x is the normal speed. You can flip your camera to the back camera using flip. We've talked about speed. Now the beauty mode, you can either put it on or off. It is off right now, so I'm going to put it on, and I think that is much better. I usually film with the beauty mode on. Next we have filters. You can change your filters, change how you look. I usually don't film with filters because it gives this unnatural look, but if you want, you can use any of these filters. I will talk more extensively about the timer later on in the video, so I'm just going to skip this part. TikTok has a buffet of effects, very funny effects like this one. Pew, 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 pew. I'm going to use another one. This one makes you look prettier, don't you guys think? You can click on upload if you want to upload any video from your camera or your camera roll, and choose any video within 60 seconds because that's the limit for TikTok. So I chose this video, and the good thing is you can edit the video, you can trim the video whether from the front, from the back, so you get exactly what you want. So I'm going to recreate this video. It is one of my most viewed videos on TikTok, so yeah. Shy. Come on. Just kidding. I don't. So what you need to do is to click on the red button when you are ready and action. So once you are done, you click on this red mark on your extreme right, and you can review the video you've made and decide whether you want to click on this button, go back and redo it, or click on this button and post the video. Okay, before posting, you need to describe your video, put a hashtag, tag your friends, and all that normal stuff. You can also select a cover for your video that makes it more attractive to viewers. Then you post the video and it appears on your page. If you want to continue shooting, you can. All you need to do is to get ready for your next scene and click on the red button again to continue the video from where you stopped. To see your results, you click on the red mark on the extreme right, and you would do the same thing. You review your video to know if you like it or you would want to go back and reshoot it. Come on. Just kidding. I don't have a boyfriend. Next, I'm going to show you how to use someone else's sound. You click on this button to get the sound from the video. Then this page comes up and it shows you various creators that have used the same sound. So to use it, you click on use the sound and your camera pops up. Click on 60 seconds, click on timer, click on 3 seconds to know the amount of time you need to get ready, and the countdown begins.
You are so ugly. Honey, my skin is clearer than your future.
When you're done, you review the video and decide whether you want to post it, edit it, add some effects, stickers, words, or cancel and reshoot. So click on text if you want to add a text. I'm going to type ugly where. Ugly where? So you can move that anywhere on the screen, and you can also delete it if you want.
These eyebrows
You can also add stickers. Just click on stickers and put any sticker you want in your video, and also you can delete the sticker if you change your mind. Just swipe up and delete. You can also swipe left or right to change the filters of your video, and voila, you're done. You can post the video or save to drafts so you can post later. So if you have any question, you can ask me on TikTok or here on YouTube in the comment section, and I'll be sure to answer any question. And if you'd like me to demonstrate anything else, I can also do that. Thank you for watching. Bye.